Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering the headphones off and removing any Bluetooth pairing. This prevents accidental clicks and damage. Next, flip the headband so the ear cup seam faces up and expose the pad edge. Use a thin, flat pry tool or your fingernail to gently lift the outer lip of the ear pad where it meets the plastic cup. Be deliberate but gentle. You're breaking the adhesive seal, not forcing plastic. Once the lip lifts, work around in small increments to free the pad edge evenly. After lifting the lip, continue peeling the pad slowly while maintaining even pressure around the cup. Sudden tugs can stress the driver or wiring. Once removed, use a cotton swab dampened with 70% isopropyl to remove adhesive residue from the plastic lip and mounting ring. Clean surfaces ensure a strong bond for the replacement. Inspect the driver foam and wiring for damage. If you see torn fabric or loose wires, address that now. Make sure the replacement pads align the new ear pad's inner mounting ring to the cup, starting at the cup's top peg. You want the pad lip to sit flush before pressing. Once aligned, press the pad's lip into the cup and work your way around, applying even pressure so the adhesive and mounting lip engage. You should hear soft snaps as it seats. After seating the pad fully, power on and play audio to check for proper seal and sound. If you hear distortion or a loose edge, reseat that section and clean again if necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.